Hey guys, got you a quick little video here on the FOIL method. This is a method used to multiply two binomials together. That means, with two terms. Binomial times binomial. That's the only time you can use FOIL. There's other ways to multiply other polynomials. And you can also use the distributive method when you multiply a binomial times a binomial. But this way has an added bonus of it helping you later on when you get ready to factor these trinomials. It kind of helps you see where your terms came from, okay? And it's not hard at all. FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, and last. Okay, so if you're taking notes, you might want to jot that down. First, outside, inside, and last. All right. Analysis is one of the most important things when you get ready to work a problem. So, and I told you, FOIL method only works for binomial times binomial. So, what's a binomial? Well, it's got two terms. X plus 3 is a binomial. X plus 2 is a binomial. So, I could use the FOIL method on this. All right, now we've got to figure out exactly what is the first, outside, inside, and last terms. First means the first number in each set of binomials. So I would want to multiply the x times the x. That's f. And you get x squared. This way, f up here, and f down there. Okay? Now, outside means the two numbers that are on the outside of the whole expression. So the beginning and the end. All right? Here to here. X times 2 would be 2x. And that's your outside. Now, inside is just the opposite. It's going to be the two numbers you didn't just use on the outside. So 3 times x, which is 3x. Then the last two numbers in each pair would be 3 times 2, which is 6. And when you use the FOIL method, usually, not always, but usually you can go back and add the O and the I term together, combine them together. Now, if I add 2x plus 3x, I get 6x. So my final answer for this problem, 5x, I'm sorry. Right there, okay? That would be your final answer. That's all there is to it. Now, both of these had plus signs. So I want to look at one more problem. Let's look at one where we have a minus sign in there. Just like this. Now the one thing to keep in mind is that a minus sign belongs to the number that comes behind it. So this minus sign belongs to the 1. And it functions just like a negative sign. It's the same thing. So let's go through FOIL here. Multiplying the first two together, 2x times 3x gives me 6x squared. Okay. Now the outside terms, 2x times 7 is positive or plus 14x. Now let's deal with the negative. A negative 1 times a positive 3x is a negative 3x. And for the last, a negative 1 times a positive 7 is a negative 7. Okay? And then just like the others, or just like the other one, we're going to go back and add the O and the I term together. 6x squared will not change. Positive 14 minus 3 gives you a positive 11x minus 7. Okay? So that's going to be your final answer to the problem. Now I have a worksheet that you can download. It's on a site called Teachers Pay Teachers. Instead of trying to tell you how to locate that, you can go to Facebook and find Math by Lindsay. And I'll have a link there so you can click on a worksheet. Looks like this. Has all the things that I just went over, plus 20 problems for you to work on. And you can also download the key so you can see if you're getting the right answers. Okay? So find me on Facebook at Math by Lindsay. All kind of links there. And I hope in the future to get around to doing some live classes on Facebook so you can interact, ask questions whatever. Okay. I'll see you on Facebook, guys. Thanks for watching.